Hiya, little Brucey bonus video for you today here. So this is the website for my web design agency, Bunny Duck Design, and we use the Pantone colour of the year as our accent colour across all of our branding. So that means that we basically are always sort of, our thinking is we're always vaguely on trend because we're using the colour of the year for all of our accents throughout, you know, Facebook, website links, hover colours and all that kind of stuff. Pantone have just released their new colour for 2025, which is this quite nice mocha mousse, which I don't hate, I'm not going to lie. It's a nice colour and I feel it's going to work quite well. Now, the reason that I can do this, the reason that we can go with this strategy of changing the colour every year and it not being a massive thing that I need to panic about, is because the site's been built specifically for this purpose. So if we come back here to the Bunny Duck website, we've got this colour of the year, Pantone, peach fuzz, all that information, okay? I'm going to open a new tab, just so we can keep that one open and we can see it more easily. Come down here to the dashboard. So this is the back of the Bunny Duck.design website, our website. And I have set up a custom settings page here using Metabox called Site Settings. And then within this, there is quick information that's going to be called up across the page, across the whole site, that is all just edited in one place. So my phone numbers, my Twitter handles, and then up here we've also got the Pantone information. So at the minute it's set to 2024 peach fuzz, and that's the Pantone code. But it's time to make a change. So we're going to come up here to the Pantone colour, and it is called Mocha Mousse. Can I copy that anyway? Yes, Mocha Mousse. And then so I'm going to copy that, and then come to the site settings that I've got here and change the name from peach fuzz to Mocha Mousse. The year is obviously going to change to 5, and then the Pantone code, I will come here and I will copy this. I don't know what this code means, but it means something. So I'm going to make sure that we have it up to date. So now, our Pantone colour of the year is being changed to 2025 Mocha Mousse 17. I'm going to save settings. And I expect one thing to be changed, but not everything. So let's see if that happens, but I'm not going to spoil it for you. Here we are on the front page again, and if I come here to refresh, there we go. It has worked to a degree, because now the colour of the year 2025 is this Mocha Mousse, and it's that reference number, and I think it's referenced, yeah, Mocha Mousse, there. But that's not the Mocha Mousse colour, is it? And that is because we have done one stage of it, which is anywhere that references that colour is now going to be used. But the actual colour change itself is controlled via our secondary plugin of automatic CSS. So if I come up here to Pantone, and just first job, before we can get much further, I need this colour code. I need to know what this Mocha Mousse colour actually is. For that I'm going to use this tool up here called Snip, which I get through Set App. But all you need to know is it's a colour picker. There's loads of different ones you can get on the market, and yeah, it's pretty much the same all around. So I'm going to go with that, and I've copied the code now, the hex code, to my little my little zip thing up there. Come back over here and come to our Bunny Duck site. And now we're ready to call up automatic CSS so that we can make the changes that we want to make. Now I'm going to come up here to edit with Bricks, and I'm going to show you something. So the first, I said ACSS is the secondary plugin. It's because Bricks is the main one that we're going to use to do this. That colour is everywhere, okay? It's in the title here, it's in the buttons here, it's in buttons there, it's our hover colours, it's our link colour, it's a big thing. It's used for all these borders, it's used in backgrounds, and it's, you know, all of this is built around it. So the colour is very important, and it is also insanely easy to change it. We're going to open automatic CSS, click on the shortcut down here, okay? Color palette, and we are going to change our action and accent colors to this new color. We've got it up here. Color history is this Sorrel Brown 9D7967. So 9D7967, I think it was, wasn't it? Yes. So there we go. So now that is our action color, and under here for accent color, we're going to. Oh, it did copy it. There we go. So yeah. So now you can see that once we added our new colour in here on automatic CSS, and I'm saving it, everything on the site automatically changed by itself. We didn't have to worry about anything, and now from having one place to just edit the year and then using ACSS for the colours, everything that was pink is now brown. Throughout the site, we've got brown CTAs, which, when you know the full story, brown CTAs is alright. There may be a couple of tweaks we need to make, like for example, probably need to change the text colour there on our, what sort of button is that? Is that an action button? So let me quick open CSS again, go home, where's buttons? Buttons and links, action. So the text color is currently set to Action Ultra Dark. I'm going to set it to Action Ultra Light. And there you go. Simple as that. As simple as that. And now all of those buttons are going to have white text on them. That's why I don't worry too much of the contrast issues, because if there are any flagging up, they're going to be well easy to fix. But yeah, that issue is now fixed site-wide. Yep. And then the background colour, you can edit the hover. I'm not sure that I'm happy with that. I might. Yes, that's what I want. I want it on the hover as well. So on the border, sorry. So now if I unselect those, then it should just edit. But there we go. Our hover, our button effect now. Yeah, that looks really nice. And that's it. That is it. It is now done site-wide. Everywhere that was pink is now brown, and we're all set to go. Just got to. The tricky bit now is updating Facebook profiles and things like that. But the website was an absolute piece of cake. If only I could automate everything else. Bye.